All right, it's time to make some coffee. It's been a busy day, but I'm gonna make coffee now. Finally. All right, this right here. All right. Nothing like spending some quality time in nature. Seriously. Oh, this is my hand grind coffee grinder. It takes some effort, you know. Every cup of coffee should take some effort. I think it's awesome to spend Thanksgiving weekend in nature. Well, it's not Thanksgiving until Thursday, so I just spend a few days out here. All right, so when you hear no more grinding sound, then it's done. Okay. All right. Here's the result. Looking good. I used to warm it up, but it's okay. Not every time you need to warm it up. Where is my gear? Gotta have all the gear, otherwise it's gonna be a messy situation. Even with good gear, it can be a messy situation. So. Perfect. There's always some left over. Okay. Kind of clean, not completely, but it is what it is. I love this grinder, so I don't have to bring a full-blown grinder, electric one from home. Just have something small. Okay. And then gotta do this one. Mix it all up nice and slow. I was listening to Warren Radlick. 300x from now by 2032. Insane. If it ever reached that number, I'll be very happy. But I think it's not gonna happen, because when a company grows into a certain size, it's not gonna keep growing exponentially. It will plateau. Government regulation, public pressure. But we'll see. I mean, Tesla is nothing like any other company out there. So that's the magic. Invest in a great company and let it do its thing. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. I'm not timing the market anymore. Just stay put, holding shares, sell some covered call, and just use the proceeds to buy more shares. That's how I lower the average share price. Let's see. It looks pretty nice. Put a little bit of a filter here. Okay. Alright. I'm going to do 2 shots. I have 2 cups. That's always the fun part. Alright. Sometimes it gets messy. Okay. Let's see. All right. $300. Mission do nothing. That's the toughest thing to do. Do nothing. So difficult, right? But that's what we need to do in order to be successful. Master the art of doing nothing. Yep. Wash it later. And then where's the paper? Right here. Nice and all together. No mess. No mess. That's the key. Oh, open the window a little bit. It's so nice out there. Oh, not too cold. Nice. Sometimes I wonder, you know, making a nice cup of coffee, cool it down a little bit here. Drink it later. Yeah, people say, why Tesla stock dropped yesterday? People take profit. And there's some stupid news about garbage news, I'm trying some new stuff. It's just bargaining. Bargaining chips. he wants us to have a say into this new administration. So he's gonna play some games, say some absurd stuff, so he can get some leverage and negotiate with Trump and Elon. That's the goal. That's how I see it. You cannot, how to say it, you cannot expect evil people not doing evil things. Evil people will always do evil things. And good people need to do the right thing to combat that evil doing. That's just how the way it works. Nice and clean. Nothing like bacon. Alright, cooking outside. Surrounded by tree here. All the trees blocking my Starlink, but I found an open spot. Starlink. I can't complain. It's been a good day. Let's look at how the bacons are doing. Alright. Bacon's looking good. I don't mean to get lazy, but it's just so peaceful to just sit here and do nothing. Oh yeah, I'm hammocking. It's lovely to just hammock, you know. And listen to the winds and the trees and all that. I'm not sure you can hear the wind, but it's a little bit windy, but not cold. Fall season is the best. It's not too cold. There's no bugs. It's not too hot. Just the perfect weather to camp. I don't think I'll change one thing. Not even one thing. I think market close. I just purchased a $4,000 worth of Tesla today. Usually I buy with the cover call premium. I got a little bit share whenever I can. It's all about adding more shares, you know. Nobody knows what the future holds, so buy more shares, lower the total cost of your asset. So the more share you have, the better. Especially for a good company like Tesla. Of course, not financial advice. You see the trees here. Really nice. Oh, interestingly, it did obstruct my Starlink, but somehow I still able to find an open sky, so Starlink right in the middle here works. It's not a perfect setup, but I'm still getting about between 25 to 35 megabit per second, so it's good enough. The Starlink Mini is the best. It's so tiny and portable. So nice. I have to cook some lamb rack later. Or maybe hot pot. Pick one. I don't know.